Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Agoda Traveler account to unlock better deals and enhanced booking features, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Agoda app on your smartphone or visit agoda.com using your web browser to access your Traveler account. Step 2. Log into your account using the email address and password you created during registration. If you haven't created an account yet, sign up first. Step 3. After logging in, check your email inbox for a verification email from Agoda. This email is automatically sent when you create your account. Step 4. Open the verification email from Agoda and click on the verification link or button provided. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification email, go to your account settings on the Agoda website or app and look for an option to resend the verification email. Step 6. Once your email is verified, complete your profile by adding personal information such as your full name, phone number, and preferences for accommodation and travel destinations. Step 7. For enhanced account security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if Agoda offers this feature. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Step 8. Add a payment method to your account by entering your credit or debit card information. This makes future bookings faster and may unlock exclusive member rates. Step 9. Verify your phone number by entering it in your account settings. Agoda may send you an SMS verification code to confirm your mobile number. Step 10. Review your account dashboard to ensure all information is complete and your verification status is active. You can now enjoy full access to Agoda's features and member benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.